Today we have a 2013 Infiniti G37X all-wheel drive. We're going to replace the cabin filter, so we're going to show you where that's located and how to do it. Your cabin filter is behind your glove box on this model. So what we're going to do, we're going to start out by popping this off right here. It just pops off like that. You just got these and two little hooks. So actually, you just pop it straight out. And on this bottom side, I know it's hard to see, but if you put your thumb right up in here, there's a little panel that's going to pull straight down. Just pop it off, just like that. That should just pop straight down like that and pull it out towards you. You got these two in the back and these three that pop it. So you just pull it straight down, pull it out. Lift up on this, grab the bottom, and that's going to pull right loose like that. You're just going to have to cock it around to get it out of there. Like that right there. Let it fall right on down, and you got your strap on the side that you take off, which is right here. This hooks to it. This is what pulls it back up in place. So you just pull that off. When you go to pull this down or put it back up, you see this has got that hole, that tab right there, that goes in the hole, and this goes around the circle. That's what brings your glove box up and down. So you got to reinstall that when we put it back on. There's 7 screws that hold this back panel to your glove box in. There's one here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th one's right there. Remove those and this whole back panel should come out. It's nice to have a ratcheting screwdriver and one with a magnetic tip. So we had the bottom one there, that's 2, 4 on the top, 1 in the back. And they all seem to be the same length. I'll get this last one up in here. It should come out. Okay, there's 7 of them. They're all that length right there. Pop it out like that. Pull it down. Just like that. Okay, the cabin filter is right here. And all you do is push the tab over and pull it towards you like that, and you pull it this way like that because it's got these on the end, and now we can easily get at the cabin filter. You can see this is the original Nissan one, so someone probably never replaced it. It's probably filthy. Just like that. Pull it straight out. And it looks like it's never been changed. You can see this is a CarQuest Premium, their best one. This is a Nissan. One looks a little cleaner than the other one, but you want to make sure that your arrow is going down, coming into the car. So just make sure when you put it in there that the arrow's facing down. Just push this up in there, like that. It's covering that bottom like that, and we put the cover on. Goes in like that, and this is just going to snap in place. You got to make sure those tabs are lined up down there. Yeah, it goes in there. It should click. Once you push it over, just like that. You got these right here. This one, this one, this one, this one. They hit a hole here, here, and there's actually 2 of them up here, which is hard to see, but you line those up and it should push right in on that. So that goes like that. You just gotta make sure they snap into place like that. And these over here, you can see them. Easy to see this right here. You can see that snaps in like that, and the screws hold it in place like that. So we got the 1 screw there, 1 there, 1 in the back, that's 3, and then you got 4 across the top up here. And once you do that, next thing we do is reinstall the glove box. It's got these little hooks that fit right on these. So you put that in there, and then you put this tensioner on there. Otherwise your glove box won't come back up. So we hook this on here right now because it's hard to get your hand in otherwise. So what we're gonna do, once that's hooked on there, we're gonna raise it up nice and gently, like this. Put that end in that hole. Right that hole in there. Once you do it like that, it takes a little wiggling around, but you can get it. You got to snap that in the bottom. The next thing is we put this, there's 2 hooks on the bottom, and we just push it up in place. If you can see these metal clips down here, there's 2 of them. These right here fit in there, and then you're just going to push it up into place after that. It's going to lock. Once you get those tabs on the bottom, you just push it in place, and it snaps in like that right there. So we got these tabs right here. You got to make sure they slide in right there, like that. Slides over, and just snaps into place like that. That's all it takes to do a cabin filter on a 2013 Infiniti G37X.